Nakakatulog kayo na mahimbing. O, sugat po ng konti doon. Dito ako tatayo.
What's up, Pilipinas? Again, this is Ross Del Rosario, ang inyong pabasang vlogger. And kasama po natin ngayon si Mr. Bon and Miss May, or Auntie May.
Hello, good evening. What's up, Pilipinas?
What's up, Pilipinas? Yun, ang nalata nila. What's up, Pilipinas? Ayan. Kasi di ba, kanina, kumain kami ng masasarap na pagkain. And one of those that served us is Auntie May. So, named after, of course, Auntie May.
Yes, me in person.
Wala na ba naisip ng magandang pangalan?
Actually, wala na akong maisip na mas magandang pangalan. What can we do? If only Auntie Mays will always remember my brand. And with Auntie Mays, you should remember Angus Beef Salikaw, and my fresh squeezed lemonade, my US beef tapa, and my pinataang escargot. Among alam yan sa marami pang iba.
Yung mga na-mention nyo, yun ang specialty. Di ba? Pero, how many dishes na, Auntie May, how many dishes ba? Gano'ng karami ba yung specialty ninyo? Or yung mga sinaserve ninyo?
We have the steak line, like Bulalo steak, tenderloin steak, T-bone steak, green blue marlin.
Minadyo niya sa amin.
We have salmon, grilled salmon in teriyaki sauce. We have sisig, pamong sisig. We have kalyos. We have the cheesy and beefy lasagna. And chili con carne with nacho chips.
Ayoko!
And embutido.
So, nabilang mo ba?
Parang more than 10.
Oo, tama yun. 14
or 15.
But our prize right now is our Angus Beef Salikaw. We are very, very, very honored that we won the Ultimate Taste Test. And it is declared the 2015 Best Salikaw sa buong Pilipinas.
Yun, parang nabalita ako ngayon eh, di ba? Ultimate Taste Test Grand Winner.
Yes. So, we are inviting you to please come visit us at the Pioneer Street Market and try our products. Hindi lang po kami, lahat ng masasarap.
Huwag po lahat masarap, ano yun? Ano unahin ko?
Kami, tapos babalik-balikan nyo, babalik-balikan nyo.
Unahin ang Auntie May.
Balik ko, no?
Okay, so sabay-sabay natin siguro yung pinaka-iconic shoutout ng What's Up Pilipinas. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?
Yun, thank you. Question po.
Yes.
Opo.
Hindi na natin maulit yung maraming salamat po.
Salamat.